Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how to repair your mileage when it's not working. Your speed is going, everything's going, except one day probably most of us press this button here for the daily counter, delete daily counter, trip counter we could say, and then the mileage is not going up and this miles or kilometers not going up as well. Repair is small bit tricky, but all we need is get that kind of small part. It's serious microscopic. Once you have the clocks out, your clocks out, then you're removing couple screws here, this one, couple here, 4 them, this one here, this one here. You have to remove gently, small bit moves, yeah. Don't break the main plate, yes. Oh yeah, that way. My screens will be replaced as well. I have to buy the new screens and I'll be showing how to replace them as well, yeah. So there is access for new ones. And then you have another ball, small bit screws here. As you see, them goes here. So I'll have to go back. Once you remove them screws, yeah, you may put it back small bit, so everything will be nice and tight, yeah. Resistor here for the power, and then we open. Once the 4 screws gone at the back of this one, then we need here. Easy, because you see he have the connections for 5 or 6 connections over there, and carefully rising up. Yeah. The best is, as you see, a catch for this plate, because this plate is actually tight in them. Sorry, 4 holes, them connections. This one is slightly bit bent, so when you be fitting, watch out, don't damage. That's all we need to work. Oh, okay, so this piece go out, yeah. So the black part, we have to stick it. Now, tiny screwdriver, we try to remove this. Watch out with the screwdriver, because as you see, you could very easy damage that, and whatever you damage, everything will be showing. As you see, all digits are dead straight, yes? It means the clocks was never adjusted, yeah? I had a plumb here, so plumb here, so that the clocks was never opened. So I'm the first one who's opening them clocks. If the one of the digits are never dead straight, you know, it means the clocks was repaired already or clocked, you know, so mileage changed. So I think we try to take off the mechanism here. Plate, remove it. As you see, there's a small problem. I got the wrong size, so I can repair the clocks today because I have to get the new part. That's it. We have to put it back together, clocks, and there'll be no repair today. Sorry for that. As you see, the small one from Audi 80, the size is 7 millimeters. yes, 7 millimeters. This one have a 8.3 millimeters. As we know the sizes, the small one have a 15 teeth and a larger have a 20 teeth. As you see, after repair, clock's done 58.6 kilometers, so they're working perfect. Odometer top one is working and the bottom one is working fine. Yeah, so all the lights, yeah. If you want, you should check all the bulbs, because I was sure that I have everything working, but actually I did not, because the one bulb was not working here. So that's a good time to do this full service of the clocks. Yeah, so look, thanks for watching. If you want, subscribe the channel if you want the kind of small repairs. Yeah, so see you next movie. Good luck.